Good morning, folks. Old man Steve here on a Sunday morning at about 4:30. I've been awake since about 3 o'clock and 3 a.m. that is, and the gout's still here in my foot, but I'm walking. Not well, but I'm walking. Today is Sunday, the Lord's Day. I mean, as every day is the Lord's Day. That's just all I have to say about it. I got up and read my Bible. I came upon something maybe 6 months ago. It came up on the internet, and I've had a problem sleeping past 3 a.m. for at least a few years. And something popped up one day, and there was scripture with it, but some other things and I think the Bible even backs it up that, if you old folks are waking up at 3 a.m. in the morning, it's because God's telling you it's time to study the Bible. It's the quiet time. The noise is not there. And for me especially, I'm a really hyperactive person once I'm up and moving. And so at that time in the morning, I'm not really up and moving. So I'm able to sit and read the Bible and try to absorb some of it. I've always had like ADHD, and I'm so hyper in life. For me to sit and focus and study is really hard. I have tinnitus in this ear from a broken eardrum when I was 8 years old, and it constantly is screeching. And it's real hard to overcome that when I'm reading something. A lot of times I've got to read it 5 or 6 times. And but the Lord gave me this good day to talk to you folks, and I wanted to tell you new subscribers and all you existing subscribers, BL688, Nailbender, and somebody else that really pitched in and told me about that being a lower radiator hose that was on that WD-45. I appreciate you guys. I in retrospect, I think about some of it, and I appreciate your input, because sometimes it points out things that have gone right over top of my slick head. But anyhow, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your input. And what BL688 said yesterday made me stop and examine the air cleaner on that WD-45, and I think it had been switched. And my complaint wasn't on the diameter of the hose, it was actually on the shortness of the hose. But that may also be in relationship to the fact that that air filter was changed. And it also presented a good fact to me of why maybe I was experiencing what I felt was decrease in power under load only, plowing. Under load, when pulling a plow, it could sputter when pulling a big plow, and yet at an idle and lower RPMs without a load on it, and higher RPMs without a load on it, runs just fine. So they necked that down. They necked that airflow down by putting by putting a WD filter on a WD-45 going into a bigger inlet going into the carburetor. Well, it's doing this. It's doing this. It's going from this big to this big and choking it out somewhat. So thanks, BL. I appreciate that. And I just hadn't taken into consideration that Bob or whoever had jury-rigged that like they did so many other things on that tractor. But I appreciate it. So we had 7,000 views yesterday. We ended up with like 7 or 8 new subscribers yesterday, and appreciate it. When we get to 1,000, as long as I can keep up videos and keep people coming and watching, YouTube will monetize us, and it won't be a lot of money, but it'll be enough to help. And this is it's a late life hobby for me, and something that keeps me going. I enjoy working on the old tractors, and I enjoy the quality of life, uh, the quality of the product, not the quality of life. But this is Sunday, this is God's day, and we all need to take that into consideration. This is going to be, obviously, it's a long video, so I guess I'll have to put a short up leading everybody to this, but I just thank God for being, being alive. 18 years leukemia, heart attack 2 years ago, and walked out of the ER. Told him I didn't believe him. And, crash and coma in 2009, 2010. Things that I attributed as nonsense due to my stubbornness. But this stubbornness has kept me alive through some of the worst places in this world and the worst situations in this world. And so I just want to ask you guys and tell you that, remember, Sunday is the Lord's day, and it's supposed to be a day of rest, and we can't always rest. Some of us have too much to do, but remember God in your day, because he always remembers you. So we hope you'll come back today and view what we put up. I don't know what it's going to be, whatever God puts in front of me today. And hopefully this gout subsides even more today. Catch you guys later.